Hi, this is Riri Peaches. Today I'm back with another video and we'll be making a chain out of a wire for a necklace or a bracelet or any kind of jewelry. The full video was streamed live on Twitch at twitch.tv/RiriPeaches or the link in the description, so if you want to see the full tutorial you could watch that. You'll need copper wire or any kind of metal wire for jewelry making, a ruler, round nose pliers, and scissors. Here's an example of how you could use this chain in a bracelet, which I'm currently wearing. First, take 3 centimeters of the wire and cut it. It doesn't have to be exact, and the length of the wire that you cut depends on the kind of wire you use, so just play around with the length and see what works for your wire. First we want to bend half of the wire into a loop. So just use your round nose pliers and form it into a loop on one side. And then take the other half and flip it around and bend the wire again to form another loop, this time facing the other direction. So you basically want to make an infinity symbol out of the wire. You want to twist half of the link to make it vertical on one side and facing the other direction on the other side, so one is flat and then one is facing up. It's slightly twisted on one side. Then you just repeat the same process and take another 3 centimeters of the wire, bend it into a loop, and then bend it into another loop to form an infinity symbol. Once you have that, again you twist it and you end up with something that looks like this. Next we want to connect these 2 links to form a chain. So you take one end and then put it through the other loop. So don't fully close the loops when you make them, so you can put it through another one. Then you basically have the 2 links attached to each other. And you can close that with your pliers or with your fingers if your wire is bendable enough. Then you repeat the process again for as long as you want the chain to be, and you keep making the loops and connecting them. Here's a time lapse of me connecting and making the links. Next I'm going to show you how to make the clasp that you would put at the end of the chain to make it into a bracelet or a necklace, so you can attach the 2 sides together. So you take around 5 centimeters or a bit longer of the chain and then form one small loop. You don't have to fully close this loop. So it should look something like this, and then you take that same side and make a bigger loop. And you bend it into something that looks like that. And then on the other side, you want to make a small loop, and this one will be what you attach to the chain. It's a bit harder to make than the other links, but this one, once you get the hang of it, it's pretty easy. Once you've made that, you take another 5 centimeters or a bit longer and you form a small loop with a bit of extra wire at the end, so it's like a little tail at the end. Then you want to wrap that tail around the bottom of the wire, the bottom of the loop, so the loop is more secure. Then you want to do the same thing on the other side, so you basically have a line and then 2 loops on each side. Once you've made your chain to the length that you want, we can attach on the ends. So you take the first end and you put it through the link like you would just adding any other link, and you put one of the loops through it. And then you can close that side and secure it. Then on the other side of the chain, we want to put the other clasp. And again, just slide on the loop like you would like a link, and use a small loop at the end to attach it on. So you should be left with something like this. And this is your finished bracelet, or necklace, or any other kind of jewelry you want to make with this. So to attach it on, you just put the clasp into the other end, and that's the end. You should have something secure that looks like this. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed, and if you want a more detailed version of this tutorial, you can look at twitch.tv/RayRayPeaches or the link in the description to find the full video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to leave a like and comment and subscribe. Bye!